Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Oliver's Train Journals. In today's episode, we are on the Bakerloo line and we're going to be talking about why the Bakerloo line trains are so messy. And you might be thinking, what do I mean? These trains aren't that bad. But look, it's not that dirty, is it? Well, what I mean by dirty and messy is all the like kind of vandalism and all of that goes on, and all the window scratches and everything. Like here, you can see that this has been vandalised and it's been cleaned off. Same as down here, you can hear that. That's all the like door kind of thing coming off because where it's been vandalised. Same here. And here. And the doors and windows also have something called a broken window effect. Which is this. When the thing over the windows crack and it makes like a broken window effect. Same done here. Same here, there's graffiti, and once a train has started to be vandalised and all that, it will continue. So we've just gotten off that train, because the next train we are going to get to see if there is like any more things. See if this one's got any vandalism or anything on it. This one doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad, this one. So there's a bit there, but doesn't look too bad. So let's go to the next one. As you just saw, it said HTB. Which is basically the same people that just do it. But yeah, we're going to wait for the next train on this platform, which is in 1 minute. Don't know if you can see that, but it's in 1 minute. We're going to see that one. The front is a bit, yeah. It's got HTV on it again. So we're going to get on. We'll get on. We'll get on here. We'll get on here.
This is the Bakerloo line train. Please stand clear of the doors.
And yeah, you might be thinking, why haven't TfL kind of fixed this problem and cleaned them like deeply? Well, these trains are 54 years old in 2026 this year, so they're very close to their retirement. So TfL just don't think it's necessary and don't think it's worth it to do all of that when the trains are going to get replaced very soon. There has been more orders of the 2024 stock, so I think some of those might be coming to here, but we'll get off here and we'll get the next one and see if that one has any more, because there is quite a bit on this train as well. Some here as well on the floor. Broken window effect. The outside isn't too bad, but it's quite cool seeing the front here.
Between Hot Crossers and Uxbridge.
once again, see if any more has been going on. So the next train is 7 minutes on this side. Over there it says 7 minutes. So we might actually just go swap platforms to see if that one has any shorter times. Okay, let's go. First of all, the front is a lot more, like, you know, bad, let's say. This one's a lot busier. Okay. Let's just hop on board. Let's just hop on. Missed one there. Doesn't look too bad except the door at the front there. Again here. There. There on the door a little bit. The back seems okay. The next train here is in 4 minutes, and the next train on the other side. That's not good. 14 minutes, okay. Let's stick with this side. Got the whole station to ourselves. Also though, these stations do have quite a lot of grub, all of that, as you can see, just below, overhead, and yeah, over there as well.
Stand clear of the doors.
Again, down here. Down there. Down here. And on the there as well. Here. But it's the vandalism and graffiti that's the worst. Broken window effect again. Let's swap platforms. Let's swap platforms. Because there should be one in a few minutes on the other side. So let's go. Easy swap.
Here we go. There we go. Trainers we just got off, but there as well. It's a bit run down. Door's pretty good, but man, it's actually crack. Trains where the vandalism is literally all over the front door, and kind of that's like it's kind of just like no, like don't. Also, another thing that's not good about vandalism and all that is it makes the trains look really bad because it's like these look really good. These look really disgusting because they've been vandalised. Okay, let's get off here and change. It's coming right now, but you know what? We've just missed it. I think we just missed it.
All change, please. This train terminates here. All change, please. This train...
one here as well. That was our last change. We're just gonna we can have a look at this one though. There's some there. It's a bit dirty on the side. Bit there. Bit there. Bit there. So yes, that will be it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And I do really like this train, so I actually kind of hope they don't get replaced, but they are in desperate need of it. So they probably will quite soon, after the 2024 stock rolls out. Anyways, if you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.